Na akong mga apo. Chloe. Chloe. So you say your name na. Yeah. Oh, you nice high heels. Yeah. What's your name? Why? Wow, you have a nice high heels. Yeah. Isabel, why you don't wear your shorts? Huh? Why? Ina, gang. Uy, Chloe, magtagalog ka na. Hello. Magandang hapon. Yeah. Oh. Magandang hapon. I know. It's okay. Sabihin mo ba, magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Sabihin mo magandang hapon. Ano, Bisaya ka? Bisaya, Tagalog?
What does that mean?
Ina lang, Bisaya ka, Tagalog? Ha? O Hawaiian ka? Hawaiian ka? Kasi pangalan sa iyong mama? English? Okay.
I don't know what he's saying.
Okay. English. What's your mom's name?
Nani?
Your dad's name?
Jared.
Ikaw, Isabel, you know your mom's?
Nani?
Oh, very good. Yeah, very good. So, did you went to school?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? You went to school, Isabel? Wow. 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2? 4. 4. 4. 4. Okay. Okay, walk like a Miss Universe. Wow, Chloe, walk like a Miss Universe. Come here, come back. There's a car. Come back here. Yeah. See, Chloe, we're gonna go check our Kalamungay. Yeah, over there. We're gonna check our Kalamungay. Yeah, we're gonna go check the Kalamungay there. Yeah. Mao ni akong trabaho. 5 days magbantay ning duha ka mga bata. Isabel, walay panty. Isabel. Yeah. We go check our Kalamungay. Oh. Sini nagpatanom ko diri og tanglad. Ako rin ay tanglad diri. Nara lemongrass. Asa man nagang? Ay lemongrass. Apo ko'y Kalamungay. Kalamungay oh, na akong patanom sa Kalamungay. Yeah. How about the guava?
Yeah.
Where's the guava? Guava.
Here.
Yeah. Hi.
Grandma, can we go walk?
Yeah, I think so. We're not gonna be walking because there is coming rain. Yeah. Ang ulan. Yeah. Ang ulan na ron. Ala, si Sabi walay panty. Kita yung diaper oh. Kita ang diaper ni Isabel. Yeah. Chloe, gusto ka magtuon og Tagalog? Uy, gusto ka magsulta og Tagalog? Inka gusto ka magtuon og Tagalog? Mo ni akong gipuy-an diri nga apartment. Nya na ni mga 6:15 kuhaon na ni sa siyang papa. Kami kay sa car. Nay car daw. Come here. Chloe, I teach you Tagalog. Maganda. Ina, maganda. Ina, ang maganda is beautiful. Maganda. Maganda. Si Grandma. Maganda si Grandma. Ina nga, sina? Maganda. Si Grandma. Yeah. Yeah. Ang unsa man ang kanang kuan Tagalog sa unsay Tagalog sa Uy, unsay Tagalog sa eat. Eat ba kanang eat kanang mo eat ba? Eat. Kain. Kain ka na? Kain ka na, Bel? Bel, kain ka na, Bel? Where are you guys going? Come here na. Come here. Yeah, but we cannot go out from here because, oh, look at the clouds. It's going to be rain. Yeah. English grammar.
They're going back.
Where?
They're going back.
What you been going back? Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. Clouds is kind of black, oh, see? Oh,
They're not black, they're gray.
yeah, it's gray. And then after that, oh, nanay, oh, nagtaligsik na.
Going too slow.
Mag-drizzling. Oh,
Going too slow.
yeah, I know. So gonna bye-bye to my friends. They're watching you.
Bye.
They're watching you in the Philippines. Yeah. Say bye-bye, Bill. Bye, amiga. Bye-bye, amiga. What's your name again?
Chloe Rose. I mean Chloe.
Ikaw. What's your...
Belle.
Isabel. And you are?
Chloe.
Chloe Rose.
No, Chloe.
Chloe only? I thought you have two names.
No, you can call me Chloe.
Only Chloe. Your mommy said asking your cousin that sleep over to your house. You gonna sleep over to your house?
I put a note on the door.
Oh yeah, what you put note in the door? What is it?
It says, do you want to sleep over? Mama, with me? How do you want to sleep over with me?
Really? It's not hurt your feet on just use? Seems like too small. Yeah? Just too small?
No.
Yeah. Wow, you're walking like a Miss Universe. You know when you walk high heels with the Miss Universe, you know how to walk? Miss Universe? Wow. I know like walk like that, oh. Like that. Mm. Wow.
Can you do this?
No, no, Isabel, sige. Tug. Okay. Sige na. 1, 2, 3. Sige. 1, 2, 3.
Grandma just practice it.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
No, like this.
I'm whole.
And like this.
Okay.
Grandma,
Huh.
Grandma, do this.
Yeah, do this. Yeah.
Go
What?
like this.
Oh, I can do that. I can do that.
When you do that,
Like that.
Mama,
Ikaw. Wow, that's Isabel. Okay. Oh, ni atong babysitter ta ani eh. Babysitter. Kaluoy ni Maring Kurat sa si Maring Claire. Nanay Claire, ang bag-o ninyong kakilala.
Mama,
What?
take that. Grandma,
Hmm?
can you give me one?
Uy. Ay, this is, di man ba kuhaan ka?
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye na ta. Bye-bye na. Humana na ni pasunsyo dito sa gawas. Kung mga apo, naami dito sa gawas sa akong apartment gipuyan. Akong apartment dyan gipuyan, oh.
It's going to grow up and it's going to go all the way to the sky.
Kanang atbang, diha ko nagpuyo nga apartment. Diyan ako nakatira, diyan. Tagalogon o Bisayaon na lang, kaya ba di kasabot og Bisaya. Diyan ako nakatira.
Can you pet them?
Remember ang imong kamot. Ang kamot nimo. Go, go. Say hi.
Hi. Hey, can we go?
Sibyl, what's out the car? Yeah, saman mo. Ha? Ayaw mo paglayo kay masig mo ulan. Oh, maadto siya ito oh. Diyan tabi ka ni car bill. Car oh, coming car. That's car.